Hi, I am Sneh Khanna, a graduating student of the Department of Textile Design, NIFT Patna, from the batch of 2020. The world of design has always fascinated me. More than a profession, I believe design is a behavior. Majorly, I get inspired from nature, and my designs are a cluster of observations. The 4-year program of Bachelor's in Design at NIFT concludes with a semester of training in the industry, which provides a live learning process. The wish to work with the likes of a label that stands a class apart in terms of craft appreciation and its versatility when it comes to technique exploration made me apply for an internship at Ratan Textiles Private Limited, Jaipur. The journey of 24 weeks of graduation project proved to be one with enormous learning and opportunities. From delicate and alluring large-scale florals to detailed indigenous and yards of delicate blooms, French printed fabrics are probably the most diverse and absorbing part of the vast textile collection across the globe. This table linen collection is inspired from traditional French florals Explicit Urbain is a narrative of these sophisticated and detailed florals, hand-painted in block look in a contemporary manner. Bhujodi is a village located on the outskirts of Bhuj, Gujarat, which is known for Bhujodi weaving, and the weavers are called as Vankars. The designs woven into these fabrics are inspired from the community who wore them. The names for the motifs like Vakyo, Chomuk, Panchko, Satkani, Hati, Dholki, Damru, etc. are evocatives of the ruler image. Vankar defines the essence of this exquisite traditional craft in the form of hand-painted and embroidered collection of home textiles. The checks, stripes, and the motifs are inspired from the ones of Bhujodi weaving. It stands out as a bedding collection with its unique hand-painted strokes and fine embroidered details. Modern minimalism is a narrative of an artist mode. It varies as a layer of natural pale palette and tones that transcend season from chalky whites to dirty beige. And rustic orange to chrome yellows. Here, the textures collide in the grounded simplicity.